In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to duplicate a WordPress page or post with a single click. Creating a duplicate post or page allows you to work on it without affecting the existing version. In this video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate a page or post with just one click. So, in your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, then click on Add New. In the search bar, type Duplicate Post and press Enter. And this is the plugin. Click on Install Now to start the installation. When the installation is complete, this button changes to Activate. So click on it to activate the plugin. And once the plugin is activated, you get redirected to the plugins page. So scroll down to the plugin and click on Settings under it. Here you can select what you want to copy from the page. Add a prefix to separate the copied post from the original one. And finally, here you can select if you do not want to copy the categories or tags. Then click on Save. And now go to the post you want to duplicate. And when you hover over the post, you get an option to clone it. So just click on Clone. And the duplicate post is now created. This is how you can easily duplicate a WordPress page or post with a single click. And that's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and that bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.